Guys, so it is September 2nd, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, and I feel full of energy, which gives me lots of energy to run around and play with my child. And I feel completely wide awake. And I will remain wide awake until at least 8 o'clock tonight, and then I'll start yawning, and I should be asleep by 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Don't mind, you can hear my child in the background there. They're a little bit rambunctious at the moment because we're going to head out and go on a little adventure here soon. Anyway, so the Amare Happy Juice is absolutely incredible. It has cleared up my acne, it got rid of my musical anhedonia, and it got rid of my food anhedonia. Now, I'm hoping over time it will completely eliminate my anhedonia altogether, which would be absolutely amazing. And I have faith that it's going to. I also take one other supplement at bedtime, which has, so far I haven't really noticed much difference from it, but I know over time it's going to work. And it's another product through Amare. If you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I highly recommend Amare Happy Juice because the stuff is absolutely incredible. Now, I do also use Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant on my face, which helps clear up my acne, so it's a combination of that and Amare Happy Juice. But I'm already noticing that my face is clearing up, and I've only been drinking it for a couple days now, so it's working wonders already.